You know what? God speaks in so many ways. I've shared that before. And one of the ways that God speaks really is when we read His Word. I want to read to you Psalms 119. And it says here in verse 29, and I'm going to read until the verse 32. Sabi dito, remove from me the way of lying and grant me your law graciously. I have chosen the way of truth. Your judgments I have laid before me. I cling to your testimonies, O Lord. Do not put me to shame. I will run the course of your commandments. You shall enlarge my heart. When I was reading this the last time, na-realize ko lang na truly, alam mo yun, when you carry the testimonies of the Lord, when you carry His Word, when you carry what He has said to you, you will indeed see, and hindi ka mapapahiya. Because He will make sure that His Word will not return to Him void and empty. Yung mga testimonies na sinishare ko, amazing because those are the promises of God that I saw God move. And God moved according to His promise. When He says He's going to be faithful, He's faithful. When He says He's going to provide, He provides. There's nothing that the word of the Lord na ibibigay sa'yo na hindi matutupad. And so I hope that when you read the Word of God in the Scriptures, you will take it to heart and remember that, you know what? As God has spoken in His Word, mangyayari yun. Because He does not send a word He will not fulfill. I hope na bless kayo. Shalom to you.